Welcome to my channel. The F-16A Fighting Falcon is a single-engine multirole fighter aircraft developed by General Dynamics for the United States Air Force. Originally conceived as a lightweight air superiority day fighter, it quickly evolved into a successful all-weather multirole platform. The F-16 first flew in December 1976 and entered operational service in 1979. The F-16A was the initial production version of the aircraft, designed primarily for the U.S. Air Force and later exported to numerous allied nations. Its airframe is constructed mainly from aluminum alloys, with composites used in critical areas to reduce weight. The F-16A features a frameless bubble canopy for improved visibility, a side-mounted control stick for easier control during high-G maneuvers, and a recline seat to reduce pilot fatigue. Powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F100 PW200 turbofan engine, the F-16A can reach speeds exceeding Mach 2 at altitude. With a thrust-to-weight ratio greater than 1:1, the aircraft is capable of vertical climbs and rapid acceleration, giving it superior performance in dogfight scenarios. The avionics suite in the F-16A includes a Westinghouse and APG-66 radar, which provides air-to-air and limited air-to-ground targeting capability. The aircraft is equipped with a fly-by-wire control system, a major innovation at the time of its introduction, enabling greater maneuverability and relaxed static stability for optimal performance. Its internal M61 Vulcan 20mm rotary cannon is complemented by 11 hardpoints for a variety of ordnance, including AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-7 Sparrow missiles, Mk-82 and Mk-84 bombs, and a variety of electronic countermeasures and targeting pods. The cockpit features a heads-up display, multifunction displays, and hands-on throttle and stick controls, allowing the pilot to manage the aircraft more efficiently during combat operations. The F-16A's combat radius and endurance were extended with the use of external fuel tanks and aerial refueling capabilities. From its inception, the F-16A was designed to be highly maneuverable and cost-effective, able to withstand up to 9 grams S during turns. Its relatively low cost, ease of maintenance, and high reliability made it a favorite among many air forces. More than 4,500 units have been produced in various configurations, making it one of the most widely used fighter aircraft in history. The aircraft served in numerous conflicts across the globe, including Operation Desert Storm, the Balkans, and the Middle East. Nations such as Belgium, the Netherlands, Denmark, and Norway were among the first international operators, forming part of the initial European participating air forces program. Over time, the F-16A has been upgraded with new avionics, sensors, and weapon systems, extending its service life well into the 21st century. Even as newer variants like the F-16C/D and F-16 Volt have entered service, the original F-16A remains active in several countries' inventories, often serving in training, reserve, or upgraded frontline roles. Its enduring legacy is one of innovation, versatility, and battlefield effectiveness, securing its place as a cornerstone in the history of modern combat aviation. Obviously here are expanded, high-precision performance details for the F-16A Fighting Falcon, focusing on its flight characteristics, avionics, weapon systems, and agility, all delivered in continuous narrative form without headings, visuals, or host dialogue. The F-16A's aerodynamic design, paired with its powerful propulsion, makes it one of the most agile fighters of its generation. The aircraft has a maximum speed of over Mach 2.05 at altitude, equivalent to approximately 1,500 miles per hour or 2,414 kilometers per hour. Its service ceiling is around 55,000 feet, allowing it to operate well above most commercial and military aircraft. The climb rate exceeds 50,000 feet per minute, enabling the aircraft to transition rapidly from low to high altitude in combat situations. Equipped with the Pratt & Whitney F100 PW200 afterburning turbofan engine, The F-16A produces approximately 23,830 pounds of thrust with afterburner. This results in a thrust-to-weight ratio close to or greater than 1.1 to 1 when clean, allowing it to accelerate while climbing vertically up, an essential capability in both air-to-air and air-to-ground scenarios. The aircraft's internal fuel capacity is approximately 7,000 pounds, and it can carry an additional 12,000 pounds of external fuel using drop tanks. With external tanks and in-flight refueling, the F-16A achieves a ferry range of over 2,000 miles and a combat radius of approximately 340 to 550 miles depending on payload and mission profile. The fly-by-wire flight control system in the F-16A is one of the earliest to be fully implemented in a frontline fighter, enabling advanced control during high angle of attack maneuvers. The aircraft is intentionally aerodynamically unstable and pitched to improve agility, a design philosophy known as relaxed static stability. This instability is actively managed by the flight control computer, allowing the jet to perform extreme maneuvers without sacrificing pilot control. The F-16A can sustain 9 grams turns, a benchmark that very few combat aircraft at the time could reach reliably in operational conditions. The F-16A APG-66 radar is capable of multi-mode operation, including range while search, track while scan, and air-to-ground ranging. Though less powerful than later versions, the APG-66 gives the F-16A the ability to detect and track airborne targets at ranges exceeding 50 nautical miles and to perform precision ground attack with laser-guided or GPS-aided munitions when paired with external targeting pods. The radar operates in the X-band and was a significant advancement in lightweight fighter avionics during the late 1970s and early 1980s. In terms of weaponry, the F-16A can carry up to 17,000 pounds of ordnance on its 11 external hardpoints, including wingtip missile stations, underwing pylons, and fuselage stations. It is armed internally with a 6-barrel M61A1 Falcon 20mm cannon with 511 rounds of ammunition, capable of firing at 6,000 rounds per minute. Air-to-air loadouts typically include AIM-9 Sidewinders, and in later upgrades, AIM-120M ROMs. Air-to-ground options include Mk-82 and Mk-84 unguided bombs, AGM-65 Maverick missiles, cluster munitions, and laser-guided bombs when paired with lantern or lightning targeting pods. The flight control system also includes quadruple redundant channels, ensuring that failure in one or two systems does not affect aircraft controllability. The digital avionics and modular architecture allowed for upgrades, which helped extend the service life of the F-16A significantly. Typical mission turnaround time on the ground, thanks to modular design and easy maintenance access, is under 15 minutes for standard rearming and refueling. With its blend of raw power, unmatched agility, and flexible mission profile, the F-16A not only served as a foundational multirole fighter for the U.S. Air Force but also became the benchmark by which many modern fourth-generation aircraft are judged. It remains one of the best-performing light fighters ever produced, with more than 20 countries having flown the aircraft in various roles including interception, ground attack, reconnaissance, and close air support.